Fremont Street Experience, downtown Las Vegas. There are many activities to do, from watching the free Vivavisionlightshow to weighting yourself on the heart attack grill scale, to looking at street performers, checking out the amazing artists, and even going to a donut shop that's in walking distance. But remember, this is Las Vegas, and everything is not for everyone. Before we get to Fremont Street, this is our little adventure in the Harry Reid International Airport.
Hello. It's me again. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? We're here, y'all.
Now let's talk about how you can get around Las Vegas. So the Las Vegas Strip, as well as the residential part, RTC Las Vegas Public Transit. So they have a double-decker bus that goes up and down the strip, and they also have a single bus that is more for residential. Best thing to do is to purchase a bus pass, okay? The bus passes can be purchased with the RTC app Las Vegas. For 2 hours is $6. For 24 hours is $8. For a 3-day pass, it's only $20. We traveled on the Deuce, which is the double-decker bus, to get to Fremont Street. When you are traveling, please ask the bus driver and locals about different routes and about different ways that you can get around. You can also download the My Bus Transit app. The Heart Attack Grill Restaurant. Boy, was this a fun experience. So this restaurant is not only known for the food, the colorful language, but also the scale that everybody gets on. So if you're 350 pounds, you get to eat free. Okay, so I believe I'm like, it's between 177 and 178. That's about right. There's a colorful language. To each his own. Here's the coronary dog, the single bypass burger. If you're looking to have a great time, getting a lot of calories, you can also have ice cream and drinks. Viva Vision, the world's largest LED canopy screen. The light show happens from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. every night. The show runs between 6 to 8 minutes depending on the feed.
We are in Las Vegas.
Yay!
We're down on Fremont Street.
Yes, the Fremont Street Experience.
Fremont Street.
Yes.
So that's where we are, you all.
It's not too many things going on. Of course, you'll see it's the daytime, and we got a chance to see a few things here. But yeah, we're just gonna look around a little bit and see if we can get into something and just move
We don't
along.
gamble though.
We do not gamble.
So
When I say get into something, I mean like find something good to eat.
or maybe a good deal on something.
Yes, a good deal, because they do have them here. So that's what we're gonna try to do. But yeah, we just finished getting off of the RTC bus. It was an amazing experience. They have a bus that brings you back. No, it brings you to the strip, and then they have a bus that brings you back from the strip. So you're going anywhere from the casinos, to your treasure islands, the other casinos I can't think of right now. New York, all the way to Fremont Street. So I think it's really a good experience. Didn't have no problems with it at all. The driver, he was nice. He kind of had a lead foot. But yeah, but everything went well. What do you think about the ride, Mom?
Well, the ride was okay, but he had a lead foot. He kept hitting brakes. But yeah, it was good. I didn't have to walk. It's like 90-some degrees out here. So we give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yay!
Throughout the day, you can look at mind-blowing, outstanding, fantastic visuals at Viva Vision, the world's largest LED canopy screen. Check it out. The Fremont Street Experience has different street performers and dancers. They highly encourage donations.
If you guys don't give me energy, he's gonna die. You're not gonna die. We're in Vegas. Turn up. It's a party. Now feel it. Hands up. Hands up. Everybody, clap your hands. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Everybody clap. Everybody clap. Everybody clap. Everybody clap from Chicago, ladies and gentlemen. Season 6, America's Best Dance Crew. You see the Mandalay Bay for MJ1. Hey, make some noise! He's old as shit. He can still flip. Watch him. Put up. Hey, remember they work at Circus Soleil on the weekends, but today there's no match. If he falls, he dies. So make some noise! Wait. This move is really, really dangerous. When he let go of the hands, everybody scream. No mats, no strings. No hands! He's standing on his head, people! I can't hear you! Now watch this. From America's Got Talent, watch this. Don't walk away like my dad did. You sir. That's what I'm talking about.
If you are looking to have a custom, beautiful made portrait, please visit Mr. Zale. He is an amazing artist that does all kinds of portraits. So the portrait that he created for us was of our dogs, Jack, Joy, and Ollie. He does great work and he is so kind. The price was $70. Very good price for very good quality product.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a professional acrobat for the making of the Grand Casino. Your Viva Visionlightshow. We can all stand up while you do so
Yes. You got Ollie's teeth right too. He has that little sag in his jaw. Thank you so much. I'm gonna share online with everybody. Got a little bit of footage.
The picture?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Pinkbox Doughnuts, where they are known for their fun, modern-day twist on old-fashioned classic donuts. You can also purchase coffee, apparel, and more.
Do you have any special? We don't have. I would like to look down here.
Okay.
What?
Hello.
Our corn of the month, which is Cookie Monster right down here.
Okay. Okay. And the 195 of the OG flag. Mama, did you want to get the?
The donuts look absolutely amazing. They were unique. Definitely one of a kind. Me and Mom, we kept it simple and we got the triple OG chocolate frosted and the pink rainbow ring. I also got some water.
Okay, we're getting ready to try this donut, y'all. Chocolate delicious. It's good. This is definitely, like they said, the old-fashioned chocolate donut. That's what it tastes like. The breading is nice and soft. Really good. That's good. It's rich, too rich to eat one by yourself. Yeah, that's why we had to split it. Our next donut. I told Sierra I'm not much of a sprinkle person. I did this one, y'all. Sprinkle thing was her thing. That's what it looked like, y'all. She knew about it for sprinkles, you all. Oh, this shit, I put it in her mouth, y'all. She gave me the biggest piece. She done put it in her mouth. Cheers. Cheers. Oh my God. Oh my God. The first bite was good, but let me tell y'all, the dye is really strong. This ain't gonna. See, she needs to understand. This ain't working out too well. Everything that glimmers and glimmers and what they say? Everything that's glimmering, that is glowed and glimmer, isn't good. I was fooled. But I've had donuts like this with pink food coloring. Look at Mama's hands. I'll put it closer to the camera. Can y'all see that? Yeah. So, I mean, some people like the strong food coloring dyes. They like how it tastes, but I don't. So I'm not a fan of this pink donut. The chocolate donut, give that a thumbs up, Mom. The chocolate donut was very good. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next adventure. Well, excuse me. We'll see y'all on the next adventure. Bye.